Hi guys, just want to do a quick review today. This is Kettle brand potato chips. Now, why did I pick this? This was actually on sale, and it was actually in the health area of the grocery store. But why would it be in the health area? Because it is certified gluten-free. So, as we all know, potatoes are certified gluten-free, or generally gluten-free. But this one is certified. And take a look at the ingredients. There it is. And as you can see, I didn't see any dairy in this, so that was kind of neat. Here are the ingredients there. Let's do a quick taste test, see if it actually tastes any good. So, I'm always interested in new snacks and things like that. So, and people always ask me for snack ideas. So, you know, gotta get some options out there. This is what it looks like. Okay, so taste-wise, it's pretty good. It has a nice hint of sweetness to it and the smokiness of it. Other than that, it's a thick crunch. Tastes like regular potato chips. Yeah, definitely check it out, guys. And as you can see, it's non-GMO. So if you have any questions, comments, post them below, and subscribe to the channel.